Hi everyone and welcome back to Excel Biz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the sum of filtered cells using this example. So as you can see, I have data for export and import from different countries. We've got the country, the type, the month, and the value in dollars. So the first thing that we need to do, we will calculate the sum total of the values. So let's do that. We will do this by using the sum formula. And then just take all this data all the way to here. So the sum total of all the export and imports for all these countries is 945,000 US dollars. So for us to be able to calculate the sum of filtered cells, we have to filter our data first of all. So let's do that. So click the headers and go to your data tab. Under sort and filter, click on filter. So you apply filters on your data. So let's now try and see. Let's filter by country. So deselect all of them. Ensure that you have your subtotal and sum total selected. Let's start with the United States first of all. Click on OK. As you can see, the sum total, we still get to have the sum total of all the data. But now what we need is only the value just here. So what we will do, you apply the subtotal formula. Subtotal. As you can see, we have number 9. So use the number 9, which is looking for sum, and then click and drag and drop to all the values that you need and click enter. And as you can see, we have 250,000 US dollars for this. So as you can see, our subtotal is 250,000 US dollars. We can actually check for another country. Let's say we only want to know Germany. And as you can see, for the subtotal changes, but the sum of all the values remain the same. So this is how you can actually calculate the sum of the filtered cells by the use of the subtotal formula. However, there's something else you need to know. As you type in your subtotal formula, it has two sums. One is the one number 9 and the other one is 109. So the difference between the two is when you use the sum 109, this one ignores data that is not visible, but if you use the one that you've just used, sum number 9, this one will not ignore any hidden rows or cells. So in this particular case, ensure that you just use the sum number 9. And sorry, so number 9, and then of course you highlight the data that you need, and there you go. So this will keep happening even if let's go back and select all. If we select all, what we need to have as our subtotal, it's supposed to be 945 since we are going to have everything selected. So let's check this. We are supposed to have the same. So let's just start this again. Subtotal 9, and then all the data that we have here all the way to 80,000, and as you can see now it's 945,000 US dollars. So I hope you've benefited from this video, and if you like it, please leave us a thumbs up, and if you have any question, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you again in the next video. Goodbye.